Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat and Smokey the Bird. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. As you can see, we're still at camp. Today is 6 weeks that we're out here, and 6 weeks and 1 day actually. And as you can probably hear, I'm sick. So I apologize that my voice isn't like it normally is. I am having trouble breathing. I think I have bronchitis, but I don't know for sure. It started like a cold or allergies, and then it went into my chest. And because I have asthma, I get bronchitis a lot. Anytime I get sick or allergies, it usually turns into bronchitis. So I think that's what it is. Anyway, apologize in advance for my voice and for any sniffling or sneezing I might do. Smokey's playing with her little piano toy back there, so that might keep her busy, but you might hear some piano noises and music. I don't know. She's kind of sitting on it right now. Anyway, back to the video. As you can see, I finished this beautiful diamond painting that I got from fan sales quite a long time ago. And it is the Goldfinch. Sounds like Smokey's batteries are dying in that machine. Oh, that's too bad. Anyway, I really like the way it turned out. We'll go over to the book. So this is item LD459 from Fan Sales if you're interested. I bought it a long time ago though, so I don't know if they still have it. They had a whole series of different kinds of birds with flowers. And this is one of the ones I really wanted because I love roses and I love goldfinches. And we have a lot of goldfinches every spring in my yard. So I just thought that was really beautiful. I started this on Friday, September the 13th of 2024, and I finished it on September the 17th. So yeah, I did that one pretty quickly. Prose is very, very pretty, as you can see. I think it's really beautiful. There were lots of extra drills. I was not even close to running out of any color. There were tons of them. Very clear drill field, easy to read. And the only cons were bad stick and lots of confetti. But it wasn't like bad confetti. It looks good. So I don't think maybe that should be in the con, but I did want to mention it. And for some people, confetti definitely is a con. So let's get a little bit of a better look. So I want you to see how beautiful this is. Look at the sparkle on this one. So I did not put any glue down on this yet. I still have to do that. But look at the sparkle. It's so pretty. And look at the details. So we've got the rose up here and the little rosebud, and we've got the light sky coming through. It looks like sunrise or sunset, but I don't know because the roses wouldn't be open at, well, maybe sunrise they would be, but not sunset. They usually close out. We've got this beautiful goldfinch, and I don't know if you could see, the drills are really beautiful colors, but there's a lot of confetti, like tons. Even the colors that look like they're color blocking, I don't know if you could see, but there's a lot of confetti in there. And then we have the two big roses, the biggest rose here, and the smaller rose, and some tiny roses. And yeah, I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. It's got an amazing sparkle. Just really glittery, especially when the sun catches it. Sometimes it just sparkles just like the lake does when the light from the sun hits the waves. It's so pretty. That's what it reminds me of. Diamond painting reminds me of a lake with sun sparkling on it. So anyway, very happy with how that turned out. And I think that's going to flip over. It's not going to stay there anymore, you guys. I don't know how I got it to stay in the first place. Hang on. Okay, I'm back and I have it balanced again. I brought the wrong, like that pillow thing is really nice for watching videos or using an iPad. I mean, it's not nice for diamond painting. I have a harder, I can't remember what these are called. Like, I absolutely can't remember what they're called. Smokey's playing with her musical toy, if you hear weird music. And she's got all of her claws down on all of the different buttons at the same time. So it's coming in weird. I forgot what I was talking about. You guys, I apologize. I am so sick and I still have to do a few more videos today too. Smokey's providing some background music. Smokey, what are you doing? I hope this doesn't get knocked out of my stupid video because of music. It's a toy, you guys, so I hope nobody claims it. This is just a toy, and my bird has all her claws on it. Okay, now she's gonna sing. Hoo-hoo. Anyway, you guys, I gotta stop here. I really don't feel good. I gotta take some Tylenol. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting. And have a great day, whatever you're doing. I hope you guys are all feeling good. Bye.